top of the railing.
You can see where it's come over. It's right now. It's right at the top of the railing.
Yeah.
Right back there.
Order pizza?
There's not going to be nothing left, Dad.
Huh?
There's not going to be nothing left to drive across.
I'll have to,
Look how fast it's moving up there.
I know.
I've never seen it this high.
As soon as it's gone, we're going to have to get out here.
With what?
Tomorrow.
With what?
We did before. Got to get off the bridge and try to make it faster.
That gravel's probably going to be 10 miles downstream this time.
Yeah. Great. Ja, schön, gut.